Hello viewers and welcome to another session of Architectural Plan. In the last session, we have seen how to create walls, and in this session, we will see how we can add doors to an architectural plan. So, first, we have chosen the doors layer, and then we have created this rectangle. Now it is being copied and pasted at several spaces and then extended using the anchor points. Now we have this arch for the door, which represents how the door would be opened. And then we have the rectangle on the other side as well. Now this is how a door has been formed. In order to save time, I am playing this video in fast forward speed because the purpose of this session is that you can see the different approaches that can be used to create an architectural plan. So this approach is being used by one of our students. Later on, I will share another technique, or better to say, a tip, how to create the doors in a very convenient and easy way. As I have mentioned before, that both approaches are quite fine and no one can challenge that either way is better. However, I would say that for the beginners, one must adopt the convenient ways that utilize less time, since we are dealing with a layout which is quite consistent in nature. As the time goes on, you would see how this layout is consistent. If we talk about doors, most of the doors have been assigned a similar length and width. So, if we create or get one set of doors, place it at a specific point, create two mirrors, vertical and horizontal, we get all four type of doors that would be used in this layout. So, there would be no need to create a specific block and then place it one by one at different spaces. It is merely to save time and energy so that a person could be able to complete the task well before time. Once this block is ready, then it could be used at several spaces, as we will see in this session. Now you may follow these steps one by one in order to create an appropriate block for the door. For these steps, I have reduced the playback time and the playback speed of this video. So here we have this door. Now we can place it anywhere as much as we want. So we have a mirror as well. Now one can move and place it at a specific point. Next, we have another window. It is being mirrored again, rotated, and then placed. An approximation has been used in placement of doors, which is not recommended. At some places, you can see great distance between walls and doors. So, I would not recommend this approach. The best way is to scale them as per requirement. After completion of this video, I will show my approach as well. How we can import some preliminary blocks which are present in the preset and then scale them to our desired value. Now it is just a matter of copy and paste. How we can use one block and then paste it at different points by changing their angles of rotation. Let's see my approach in this scenario. From here, we can access the tool palettes. If we run down the menu, we can see doors, which are in imperial and metric both types. If you can see the size is quite big, we can simply scale down. In this way, we can scale up and scale down as per our requirement. Then we can simply place it anywhere at an approximate distance from our main layout. Again, we can scale it by holding from this point, enter R for reference. We can use this length, and now we want to place it at this point. So we can enter this length like this. Now we have got a door. What we can do is use the mirror command like this. Now we have the both rotation points of this side, and in this way we get all four types that would be used in this layout. So we will copy one from this reference. The extreme corner point we will place at this extreme corner point to avoid any inconvenience and empty spaces. For the places where we need some other rotations, we can place them with those specific rotation angles. So, in this way, we can repeat the step one by one and assign doors for each space. This is all what we need here. So, this was all about this session where we have seen two different approaches to add doors in a pre-existing layout of walls. Let's call it a day. See you in the next session. Till then, take care.